Oh my goodness, there's one in a tree. There's a young lion. Is that? I cannot believe it. It is actually one of the lionesses that have climbed into the tree there. And there, the other lioness is in the tree as well. Oh my goodness. There you can see her just raising herself up a little bit and actually looking through the trees there. So I think she is using the tree a little bit as a vantage point. Oh my goodness, there's a rhino that's coming through the bushes. Look at the youngsters running from it. Oh, it's chasing the lions. What an incredible view of the rhinos in the tree and the lions in the tree behind them.